Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you Korean rice cream to remove wrinkles and will make you beauty queen in 3 days. You will remove wrinkles and fine lines naturally and will get baby looking skin with very simple ingredients. It's super effective than botox and super helpful, yet it's super simple to prepare at home and super effective. The first ingredient we need is around 3 teaspoons of rice. Here I have white regular rice and we need to grind it fine into a powder. Once we grind the rice into a powder like so, place it into a clean mixing bowl. And add on it hot boiling water. Mix very well until we get a cream like so. Our magical rice cream is ready. Apply it on clean skin that has no makeup or dust and leave it to dry out completely, and it's going to work for you 100%. It's Korean secret to remove wrinkles and fine lines naturally, and it's super effective in removing wrinkles and any kind of fine lines. It's will fill it like botox naturally, my friends. It is super effective and super helpful. Apply it on clean skin that has no makeup or dust like so. Leave it to dry out completely and then rinse it with warm water followed by cold water to close the pores. And my friends, the result will amaze you. It is super effective and super helpful in removing wrinkles and fine lines. Repeat every day before you sleep in order to achieve the best results. In 3 days you will notice a great results in your skin.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.